Addition quiz with Luna and Areo. Solve the addition problem. 20 plus 5. Answer is 25. Solve the addition problem. 13 plus 6. Answer is 19. Solve the addition problem. 14 plus 4. Answer is 18. Solve the addition problem. 10 plus 8. Answer is 18. Solve the addition problem. 21 plus 5. Answer is 26. Solve the addition problem. 11 plus 8. Answer is 19. Solve the addition problem. 20 plus 2. Answer is 22. Solve the addition problem. 7 plus 7. Answer is 14. Solve the addition problem. 25 plus 2. Answer is 27. Solve the addition problem. 9 plus 9. Answer is 18. Solve the addition problem. 14 plus 6. Answer is 20. Solve the addition problem. 13 plus 7. Answer is 20. Solve the addition problem. 11 plus 6. Answer is 17. 12 plus 7. Solve the addition problem. Answer is 19. Solve the addition problem. 10 plus 6. Answer is 16. Solve the addition problem. 15 plus 4. Answer is 19. Solve the addition problem. 12 plus 2. Answer is 14. Solve the addition problem. 18 plus 8. Answer is 26. 23 plus 7. Solve the addition problem. Answer is 30. Solve the addition problem. 22 plus 4. Answer is 26.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.